No, man made this. Prove it.
Well, I could take you to the factory. I could take you to the designer.
Take me. Let's go.
You.
The designer for this phone, have you ever met him?
What's that got to do with it?
Meaning, you're saying this is designed without any evidence that you're bringing forward.
You've got the evidence in your hand.
How is that evidence that this is designed?
Because there's no other way it could exist without somebody designing it.
Why not?
Because man designed it.
You just proved my point.
No, I
there
haven't.
is no way that could... Can I finish? Now you're interrupting me, right? You just said that this is the evidence that there's a designer. This is amazing.
Yes.
Let me speak now, okay? You spoke, I listened, I was polite.
With you.
Thank you. You just said this is the evidence that there is a designer without ever seeing a design, without ever seeing the designer. Something unseen you believe because of this. Well, if that's true, then you are the evidence that there is a creator.
My mother created me with my father.
Your mother did not create you.
Yes, she
Your
did.
mother gave birth to you. She didn't design you. She didn't
created
design
me
your brain.
in 9 months.
I will
She created me from a single cell.
I will let you finish.
She created me from a single cell in 9 months. That's pretty amazing.
Are you done speaking?
Yeah, now you can.
Okay.
Now you can have a go.
Thank you. Your mother didn't create you. She gave birth to you. She didn't design your lungs. She didn't even know what you would look like. She didn't know if you were going to be whole when you were born. She didn't know what color eyes you would have. She didn't know what gender you were. She gave birth to you. That's like saying a factory designed the phone. No, a factory produces the phone. It doesn't design it. Your creator designed you. Who made your heart? Who made the functionality for your kidneys to work and cleanse your urine? It's not your mother that sat there and put those programs.
Well,
Who made your...
Can
I finish?
Either.
Can I finish?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Now, your statement that this by itself is the evidence that there is a creator, a designer, proved my point. The evidence of you standing here and your functionality is evidence that there is a designer and a creator, and it's not your mother.